This is how you can import content into your mind maps with AI. Begin by creating a new project and selecting the mind map option. This sets up your workspace for all the AI-powered importing features you're about to explore. Click on AI Generate Ideas to transform any topic into a structured mind map. Simply type in whatever subject you'd like your mind map to cover, and the AI will create a comprehensive layout. You can enhance these generated maps by adding images, notes, and even requesting ideas or explanations from the AI. Converting YouTube videos into mind maps is straightforward. Click the Import button, then copy the URL of your chosen YouTube video. Navigate back to the Import section. Select the YouTube option, paste your URL, and click Import. Within moments, you'll have a perfectly structured mind map summarising the video's content. Upload audio clips up to 1 hour long for automatic mind map generation. Access this feature through the Import button, then select Files. You can either drag and drop your audio file or browse to upload it. Once uploaded, click Import and watch as your audio content transforms into an organised mind map. You can also use the Import feature to break down large, complex texts into digestible mind map formats. Simply click Import, select Files, choose your document, and click Import to begin the transformation. Once any content is imported, you have full editing control. Add personal touches, modify sections, include additional information, or restructure elements to better suit your needs and learning style.